Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make guacamole for toast. First, select 2 ripe avocados. Cut them in half, carefully remove the pit, and scoop the creamy flesh into a bowl. This simple step ensures a smooth base for your delicious spread. We're aiming for a perfectly mashed consistency, so a fork works wonderfully here. Get ready for a quick and tasty treat. Next, let's build those amazing flavors. Finely dice about 1/4 cup of red onion and add it to your bowl. Then, squeeze the fresh juice from 1/2 a lime over the mixture. This brightens everything up. Finish with 1/4 teaspoon of salt and a pinch of black pepper. These simple additions make a huge difference in taste. Now for the fun part, combining everything. Use a fork to gently mash the avocado with the onion, lime juice, salt, and pepper. You can mash it as chunky or as smooth as you like, depending on your preference. Just make sure all the ingredients are thoroughly mixed so every bite is bursting with flavor. This step is quick and satisfying. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade guacamole. Toast your favorite bread until it's perfectly golden and crisp. Then, generously spread your freshly made guacamole onto the warm toast. For an extra touch, you can garnish with a sprinkle of chili flakes or some fresh cilantro. It's a simple, delicious, and healthy snack or meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.